Hello, welcome to the session on Design of Machine Elements 1. Myself Bindu ME, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Luz Mada College of Science and Technology. This subject is for the 7th semester Mechanical Engineering students and it is prepared according to the KTU syllabus. The subject code is ME401. So let us first see the syllabus. So this is a syllabus. According to this syllabus, the prerequisite for learning the design of machine elements 1 is you should have a thorough understanding about the subject mechanics of solids. So this already you have learned it in your second year. And here you can see the course objectives, that is to review concept of statics and strength of materials, to introduce fundamental approaches to failure prevention of components, to provide knowledge in the design of common machine elements such as fasteners, shaft, springs, cotter joints and couplings. So these are the things we are going to see in this subject. These are the textbooks which you can refer. One textbook you have to buy. So we are having this Design of Machine Elements by V.V. Bhandari, and two other textbooks are also mentioned here. That is one by Norton, then one by Jalaluddin. Now here we have this Design Data Handbook. You can see 3 books are mentioned here. You have to get this book, Design Data Handbook by K. Mahadevan. So the use of the data book and how to use it we will see as we start solving the problems and during the designing of different machine components. But what is included in the data book? Let us have a glimpse of that. So this is a textbook by V.V. Bhandari, Design of Machine Elements. This is available in our LMCST library, and this is a textbook by Norton. And then we have another textbook by Raghavendra. So this is also available. Now this is a Design Data Handbook. So this book you can take it inside the university examination hall. This book consists of the equations, the different materials and its properties, the diagrams of machine components, then tables, graphs and all the details that is required while we design a machine component. So you don't have to by heart any of these equations or values. You just can take it according to your requirement from this data book. So this is around 500 pages and cost around 300 to 400 rupees. And it is available in the bookshop in Trivandrum. So you have to get this book. So that is, as you know, we are learning this Design of Machine Elements 1 in this semester. So there is a second part of the Design of Machine Elements, that is Design of Machine Elements 2, and you will learn the subject in the 8th semester. There also you need this data handbook, so better you buy this book now itself. And you have to keep the book with you while we are having DME classes. So this is about the data handbook. Now again we will see the syllabus. As usual, we are having 6 modules. The first module, we are having this topic, Introduction to Design, Steps in Design, and the standards and codes in design. And also we have this materials and their properties, elastic and plastic behavior of these metals, ductile and brittle behavior, shear, bending and torsional stresses, combined stresses, stress concentration factor. So you are familiar with these terms, you already learned this in your mechanics of solids. So all this concept and the equations, you have to remember it. We will be taking all this equation from there and we will be using it for solving different problems. And in the second module, we are having this topic, theories of failure. 5 theories of failures are there, you will see that. Then we have this topic, shock and impact loads, fatigue loading, endurance limit stress, factors affecting this endurance limit, and factor of safety. And some of the terms are you are already familiar, but you will see this in detail in this subject. Now the third module, we are having this fasteners, that is threaded joints, bolted joints. Then we have in the fourth module, design of riveted joints, cotter and knuckle joint, then design of welded joints. So we will be seeing the design of all these machine elements, and we will be using these equations and the details from the data book. So you know the importance of this data book, you have to get it now itself. Now in the fifth module, we are having this topic springs, different types of springs classification, then we are having this lead spring, we will see that. And in the last module, we are having this design of shaft, that is shafting. And then we have this design of couplings. So these are the topics included in the first part, that is design of machine elements 1. Now we'll see the question pattern. It is for 100 marks university question, and it consists of part A, part B and part C. You can see 3 questions from module 1 and 2 and at least 1 question from each module, and it carries 15 marks. So you have to answer 2 questions, that is for 30 marks. Similarly, part B, it consists of 3 questions from module 3, 4, and then it is also for 15 marks and you have to answer 2 questions, total 30 marks. And the part C, it is 3 questions from module 5 and module 6, and question it is for 20 marks. So you have to answer 2 questions, it is for 40 marks. So that is total of 100 marks. So this is all about the syllabus. So in this we just have seen the introduction. We have seen the different textbooks available and different types of different data books. And you have to get this data book by K. Mahadev. So thank you.